So we had a little poop accident and it left the stain from the dog. So I just want to show you guys how I get out stains like this that are not easily just able to scrub. Okay, so with this method, I basically just use hydrogen peroxide, white vinegar, and baking soda. So I already did the white vinegar, baking soda, then go ahead and douse it here with the hydrogen peroxide. Go ahead and kind of scrub it in. Okay, so you want to go ahead and put a damp, wet cloth on the spot. So this one's a pretty big area right here, so we're gonna have to do a lot more. Gonna have to move it from that spot to get the entire area.
Okay, so you want to just make sure you leave the iron on for no longer than like 3 to 5 minutes, checking it often so it doesn't burn the carpet.
Okay, so it's been on there for about 15 minutes, and as you can see, I can still see the stains in there. It's still there, so I'm doing another. We're just working with baking soda, white vinegar, and hydrogen peroxide. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more of all these things on there to kind of help it. And you wanna make sure that it's always damp on your carpet. You never want to do it when it's dry or it'll burn your carpet up. And hydrogen peroxide. And I'm gonna go ahead and just agitate it a little bit here. And we're going for round 2. Depending on how severe your stain is too, this juice out might be the answer. If you have like lipstick or something like that, like makeup, Kool-Aid, or drink some things. There are some things where I've actually just used the method of just hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and white vinegar, and it did not get it out. So I don't think that this method with just these 3 things is going to get out everything. I've had some pretty bad like Kool-Aid stains that did not come out just using these items, and so that's why I got this, because this actually really did take it. And also, this is not good for everybody's carpet. About this caution area, it does say the heat transfer method may in some cases lighten or remove weakened carpet dyes such as light blue, off-white, white, etc. Carefully examine the stained area after completion of each application before continuing because of the sensitive reaction of many fibers and dyes. Core Products Co. Inc. will not assume any liability for damages for the fiber. You do have to just spot test first before you go and use the whole thing. It's been about 15 minutes of just using the hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and white vinegar, and I think we're about good now, and we've lifted the stain up. So here are the results of that. So there are the results of just using the hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and white vinegar. Looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna go over it with my shampooer so we can go ahead and just get anything left over and get it fluffed up. So this is the end final result after doing the just hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and white vinegar, and also just using my Hover Elite Power Scrub at the end. The aerial view.